city breathing out its light. I don't need to say a word, not every truth must be heard. Footsteps fading down the hall, no more running from it all. I've been loud inside my head, now I choose the calm instead. All the questions I would chase lose their power in this space. In the hush between the sound, something sacred can be found. Let it be quiet, let it slow down. Lay all the noise on the ground. Let it be quiet, let it unfold. Peace doesn't shout, it just holds. Quiet now, let it breathe. Quiet now, set me free. Far away, but it doesn't pull me today. Every worry, every doubt, softly losing all its shout. I don't need the crowd to see who I am becoming slowly. In the stillness I can hear everything I need is near.